Good day everyone, I am Zyril Ann S. Lupasi, the President of the San Jose Community Consumer Cooperative. Today, I'll be sharing what our cooperative is all about, who we are, what we do, and how we help our community here in San Jose, Navotas City. Our cooperative is located in Badeo Dos, Barangay San Jose, Navotas City. We call it a cooperative built by the community, for the community, because it was made to help our neighbors and families have easier access to affordable daily needs. Our slogan, Together We Save and Grow, reminds us that when we help one another, we will all move forward together. The San Jose Community Consumer Cooperative is a place where people come together to save, earn, and grow as one. We are located along M. Naval Street here in San Jose, and we focus on giving affordable products that every household needs. Through community, savings, and cooperation, we make sure every member feels included and benefits from our shared effort. Our cooperative is a consumer-type cooperative, which means we focus on providing affordable and accessible goods to our members. We aim to meet everyone's basic needs while promoting fairness, savings, and cooperation. Here, every peso spent goes back to the community, helping members save money and support each other's growth. On this slide, I'll be sharing the mission and vision of the San Jose Community Consumer Cooperative. Our mission is to provide high-quality, affordable products for our members. We use collective purchasing power to make goods more accessible, and we promote fairness and cooperation within the community. For our vision, we aim to be the leading cooperative store in Navotas City, one that values integrity, affordability, and community impact. We believe that every peso spent in our cooperative helps our whole community thrive. Here's our cooperative logo, and each part has its own meaning. The circle stands for unity and equality. The hands represent cooperation and diversity, different people working together. The shields show protection and trust, meaning we value safety and honesty. The add to cart icon represents consumer power, that we have control over what we buy. And finally, since 2025 marks the year of our cooperative was founded. Excuse me. Every element reminds us that our strength comes from working hand in hand. As we end our presentation, let me remind you that at San Jose Community Consumer Cooperative, we believe that buying together means saving together. We offer everyday products like rice, canned goods, toiletries, and school supplies, all at affordable prices for our members. In the future, we plan to provide wholesale packages for small business owners in our barangay. We want to build a stronger, united, and cooperative community where every purchase has a purpose. Our cooperative stands by this message. San Jose Community Consumer Cooperative, where savings, service, and solidarity come together. This reminds us that together, we can build a cooperative that supports every family and strengthens our whole community. Thank you and good day.